Hello everyone, welcome you all to my educational channel enGmaT Academy 2.0. Today the topic of my video is grammar for beginners. Here in this video I am going to teach you the important topic noun. What is a noun? Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notification fast. So what is a noun? Every single object that we see around us has a name. All the people, places, animals and things are called by a name. These naming words are called noun. They also indicate quality, emotion, state and activity. Example: Rahul is my best friend. Rahul is the name of a boy. I visited Darjeeling last year. Darjeeling is the name of a place. The elephant is a big animal. Elephant is the name of an animal. The chair is made of wood. Chair is the name of an object. Kindness is a great virtue. Here, kindness is the name of quality. Honesty is the best policy. Here also, honesty is the name of a quality. Okay.